Hi, I'm Logan, and I'm going to teach you about chickens today. Here's our little baby chicks, and we have food and water for them. One's drinking water right now. And, well, they hatched a few days ago. This chicken we got about 8 weeks ago, and it should start laying in 10 weeks because chickens start laying around 18 weeks, and that's when we stop giving them medicated food and they start getting to older chicken food, and a little bit bigger than that one, and it should start laying the same size. Chickens don't take baths like regular people. They take dirt baths. That means they get all of their oil and all the gunk off of them, and so how it's getting under there, under all the wood chips where all of like the gunk is of dust, it'll get it on its body and dry up the oil. Chickens recognize their owners because I give them food and water, so they recognize me and they treat me as I give them food. So they'll treat me better than a lot of people. Every day to get eggs. Mai's gonna show us how we get the eggs.
This is how we get eggs. We open the door. We try to open the door. And I open this door. And then there's eggs every day. I'm gonna get them and bring them.
A lot of chickens lay different eggs. This one right here, this one is a silky egg. It's very, very small because it's a small chicken. This one lays a bigger size eggs because it's bigger, and we treated them very, very well with protein and a lot of vitamins. Chickens like treats. This chicken, we like to spoil her because she's our best laying egg layer, and so she really, really likes apples and table scraps like vegetables, fruits, watermelon, apples, anything like that. She likes them. The rest of the chickens do. I'll sit it down and the rest of them should come. But sometimes they'll get scared and they won't come because she's bigger and just meaner. Here, I'm gonna break this apple in half so they can all have some. Right there. His name's Brainy. He's a silky too, and we got him when he was young. He crows it almost every morning to let us know to get him food, water, or just to show who's boss. Chickens are generally a very sneaky animal, so we put wood chips down, as you can see in our run. It absorbs the smell, and so it won't smell as bad. This is our run for chickens. This is one of our coops, and that's the other one. That one's for the babies and the mom. We let our chickens free range because it gives them nutrients and so they can get bigger. check on our baby chicks to see if they're settling in on our new coop. As you can see, they're under their mom. You can hear them. I genuinely like to pet the mom to know we're here to care for it. Because I pet her and be nice to her, she normally lets me hold her babies. Let's see if I can get one. I'm gonna put her back up there with her mom. Let's see if I can get another one. Hope you enjoyed learning about baby chicks and chickens. Hope you can get some of your own.